Hello guys, Massman is back to predict last game for today, and that will be last game for the group stage of 2026 FIFA World Cup. That game is going to play in Group J in Dallas City, USA, between world champion Argentina against Jordan. So guys, as you guys know that Argentina already have qualified for the round of 32 after winning their both matches. They defeated to Algeria by 3-2, then they defeated to Austria by 2-0. On the other side, Jordan, they lost to Algeria by 2-1 and they lost to Austria by 3-1. So they have already eliminated from this matchup. So they will have nothing to lose in this match. So they will have no pressure upon them in this matchup against Argentina. On the other side, Argentina, their legendary player Lionel Messi have scored all their 5 goals till now in their both of matches, and he is the top scorer for this World Cup right now with 5 goals. So guys, win will give Argentina an easy top spot in this group, but draw will also do the same thing for them. But let's see what happen in this game. But my prediction, Massman prediction, will be in favor of Argentina to beat Jordan by 3-0. So guys, that match will consider to be an easy route for Argentina. So they might consider to rest their main player Lionel Messi in this matchup, but that is only time will tell, because Lionel Messi has scored 5 goals in his first 2 games in this World Cup. So he will try to add some more by playing that game. But let's see what will be their lineup for this matchup. Other main players for Argentine will be other than Lionel Messi will be Julian Alvarez, their striker, and other one is Nicolas Gonzalez. So my faith will be upon these two, and if Messi play, will be third one. And for Jordan side, their main leader of this squad, Ali Olwan, and other one is Al Chamari. So these two are from Jordan side will be goal scoring hope from my side.